In the next lesson, we will learn about basic animation. We're going to make a dinosaur that dances while saying its name. The name of the dinosaur will also move and change color. The result is something like this. Create a new project in Scratch, and name this project, "What's your name?" Every time you create a project, there will be a cat sprite. You can use this cat sprite, or you can use any other sprite up to you. In this video, we will be using dinosaur sprites. So, remove the cat sprite, then add the dinosaur sprite. Name this dinosaur sprite as Sprite Dino. Add backdrops. This time, we will use a backdrop with the name Jurassic. Move the dinosaur sprite to the center. First, we're going to make this dinosaur dance every time the green flag is clicked. In the animation, we will change the costume sprite repeatedly and quickly. Make the following coding block on dinosaurs. We will change the dinosaur costume, then give a pause or fast waiting time, which is 1/5 of a second. One thing you should note, to put a decimal number in the Scratch, you have to use a period after number 0. So 1/5 in decimal is written as a 0.2. Copy the block 5 times, like this block code. Try running it by clicking the green flag. The dinosaur will dance, but after 5 moves, it will stop. If we want to make dinosaurs dance continuously, we have to copy-paste this block. But how many do we have to copy and paste this block? Computers can do the same orders over and over again without getting tired. To make dinosaurs dance, we just have to tell the computer to do these 2 code blocks continuously. There are commands in programming languages that can be used for that purpose, called as loop. We want the dinosaurs to move continuously by repeating these 2 blocks. So we can use blocks for loop. Which loop is suitable for us to use? The left block loop doesn't match, because the dinosaur will only move up to a certain number. The right block loop can be used, providing certain conditions that will never met. We're not going to learn about this block just yet. Scratch has this middle block, which is perfect for this lesson. With this block, we can command the dinosaur to dance continuously, without ever stop. So we will use the middle block. Let's try. Create a block code like this in the dinosaur sprite. Notice, the command blocks to be repeated are located in the loop block. Now, click on the green flag and the dinosaur will dance on and on until you stop the application by pressing this red button. It's no fun just dancing on the spot. Let's move the dinosaur left and right. To move the dinosaurs, you can add blue coding blocks, like this. The top block is used to move the dinosaurs 10 steps. This block is used to make the dinosaurs turn around when they reach the edge of the stage. Try running the application. The dinosaurs will turn around. If it gets to the right, the dinosaur will move to the left. But something went wrong, the dinosaur was moving with its head down. To fix this, put this blue block under the green flag, before the loop block. Try running your application again, and now the dinosaur will move left to right, but its head won't turn over. For dancing, there should be music. Let's add some music. In the dinosaur sprite, add the following coding block. But don't combine it with an existing coding block. So it's like this. Well, the dinosaur is done. In the next video, we will create the dinosaur's name.